My brother invited my ex-girlfriend on his daughter's birthday celebration, and I have no idea that they talked through phone call for this event. And Yasin ignored me the whole time, so I made a way to make her laugh.
Tubag sabat.
Before all that happened, my brother called my ex-GF while I was still sleeping and invited her to the event tomorrow.
Yeah. Tagal na mag-answer, uy. Hi, Inday.
May gabi.
Kuhaan ka na, nakailakaw tomorrow.
Ayaw ka nang wala kaya.
Dinner time.
Alasan kaya.
Birthday ni Naya, ari sa among new house, ha? Ha? Sige, ragit. Ha, ari ha, mga 6 p.m. magsugod. Kaya mo kawawan si Shael? Sa, dito maligo din, may namuari ka para maligo sa to.
Kabaw to si Shael kaya.
Wala. Surprise na ko niya. Surprise! Ay! Oh, ha? Tomorrow?
Oh, sige kaya.
Alright, see you. Bye-bye.
Thank you kaya. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Yeah, bye-bye. Shael. Tanga.
A day passed after I got dressed, and when I left the room, I saw my ex-girlfriend standing in line to eat. So I went to my brother's room and asked if he invited Yasin.
No.
Tanga na tanga.
Ano na mga diri? Muta na kong pan. Sorry.
Tanga na talaga ako. Hindi, tanga.
Entertain na rin. Umura ng obligasyon. Masakto ko yung din mo doon. Buong
Kaya na akong makuwang kayo. Oo ba ni?
So I approached and entertained her because she seemed to have no one to talk to.
Pwede mo makikuhan, maglingkod ay.
Yo, bro, who got you smiling like that?
Kung wala lang tamang gagawin, manahimik na lang.
Kung nagmayo ang iwan mong mama diri. Was mama diri.
I was about to invite her to eat with me, but when I approached her, she had already finished eating. This time, I looked for a way to get close to her.
Idol, ako na dali. Gusto ko ba? Lang.
Tubag sabat. I love you, love. Peace out.
Ay na si Pamay dito sa Japan.
I am so grateful to those our followers who wants to take a photo with us, because Yasin had no choice but to be by my side.
Ginawa magandang balita. May nangyayari na.
Kami na sa picture niyo to. Sa Jollibee na
Smile ba?